All right, hello lads. So we're back again to try a few more difference of two squares. So um, let's try a few more tougher ones. So here's an example of one: x squared y squared minus 4p squared m squared. So this one's obviously a little bit trickier. There's a lot more things going on. Okay, so the question then becomes, how do you break it up? Well, same thing as before. Let's use our box. Okay? Square root of x squared, x. Square root of y squared, y. Square root of 4, 2. Square root of p squared, p. Square root of m squared, m. Put the same here. Put a plus, put a minus, and you can be pretty sure that you're right. Put them together. X, y plus 2pm and xy minus 2pm. And there you go. Okay? Works every time. You can multiply that out and you'll end up with that. The thing that'll be in the middle will cross out if you were to multiply the box. Okay? So, eventually what we want to try and do is move away from using this box to do this and just be able to do it using the brackets. So that's what we'll try with the next one. Now, sometimes it's not that easy to spot. So, take a look at this example. 12x squared minus 75y squared. Now, there's no square root of 12. That's, square root of 12. That's not a whole number. Same with the square root of 75. That's not a whole number. So sometimes it's necessary to divide both of them by a factor, and hopefully then what's left over will be. So both of them will divide by 1. They won't divide by 2, but they will divide by 3. Let's try 3. See what's left over. 3 into 12 goes 4, and you're left with the x squared. 3 into 75 goes 25, and you're left with the y squared. Aha! And now I can see that 4 and 25 will follow this rule. So that's really 3 multiplied by, let's do this out then, quickly. Square root of 4, 2. Square root of x squared, x. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of y squared, y. A plus and a minus. So we have 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y, and then everything gets multiplied by a 3. And then bring it back to that. Isn't that really cool? Right, we'll try another one of these. So these are, you have to be careful. Always check, can you square root it first, and then factorize if you can. So, let's pick another tough one then. Let me find. Okay. Let's find a nice little one here. Yeah, there we go. 45 minus 5x squared. So, neither of those two numbers will get you, when I square root them, will give you a whole number. So no good to us. Divide them out by 1, no good. 2, no good. 3, no good. 4, no good. Let's divide it out by 5, see what happens. What am I left with? 5 into 45 goes 9. Ooh, that looks good. 5 into 5 goes 1x squared. So that's good, that they're both squared numbers. So let's do a little grid. Square root of 9, 3. Square root of x squared, x. Plus, minus. So that's 5, 3x plus, sorry, 3 plus x, 3 minus x. Cool. Let's try another one. 9m squared k squared minus 16. So 9 is a squared number, so 16. So let's do our grid. No need to find factors here. Square root of 9, square root of m squared, square root of k squared, square root of 16. Put a plus, do the same thing, put a minus. 3mk plus 4, 3mk minus 4. Okay? Cool. Why don't you give a few more of these a go? Okay? Thanks, man.